Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you a couple of different ways that you can actually go ahead and fix your mobile data on your iPhone if for some reason it's not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but starting off, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to go into your control center right here. You want to swipe down and you want to make sure that this specific green toggle is enabled. As you can see, for me, it is actually disabled, but you want to make sure on your specific device that this toggle is actually enabled. So you want to click here, you want to click on that toggle, and you want to make sure that's enabled. This is pretty much the number one thing you can do in order to actually fix this. On the same side though, what you want to do is you want to hop into your settings, and you want to make sure airplane mode is not enabled. So as you can see, airplane mode is right here. You want to go ahead and make sure that this is also disabled on your device. So as you can see, this, if it literally looks like this, then you're not in good company. You want to make sure that your thing looks like this. You want to click OK, and you should be good to go for the most part at this point. Now, those are typically the main things you want to do if your mobile data is not working. At the same time, you want to make sure that it's not a server issue on your device or that your network connection is bad because your specific device's network is, in a bad location or you have no signal. Those things happen all the time. So in reality, all you want to do is just fix it just by waiting it out. You may have to wait a couple of minutes, even maybe an hour or two, but at some point, if you know that you did nothing wrong, then you'll just pretty much have to wait it out at that point. Now, another thing you can do that I've done myself a lot, and honestly, this is like a number two way of actually fixing your specific device if the mobile data connection isn't working, is by literally force restarting your device. So what you want to do is you want to hold the volume up button and the side button. On some other iPhones, it's a little bit of a different process. And all you want to do is slide to power off, and you want to restart your phone. Now, I looked at the comments of some other videos that I've done, and some people have mentioned that they actually went ahead and restarted their phone up to 3 or 4 times, and then it ended up fixing it. So if your mobile data is not working, this is another huge thing you can do, and I would highly recommend you to do it. So go ahead, restart your phone, see if it works. If it still doesn't work, try restarting it again, and maybe try it a couple more times, and eventually you may actually be able to fix it. Now, if none of those things have fixed it at this point, ultimately, what I would recommend doing is just waiting it out, seeing if your phone is functional in every other standpoint, seeing if you're able to connect to a Wi-Fi. If you're able to connect to a Wi-Fi, then you're set. Open up your Safari browser, try typing some things in. If it looks like everything else is working, then it may mean that that cell signal that you were originally connecting to may actually be faulty and you may not even know it. But ultimately, if you're able to connect to a Wi-Fi signal, what I would also recommend you to do is update your device. This is another major thing you can do. So you want to go into your settings app right here. You want to scroll down, click on general right there. You want to click software update, and you want to see if there's an update available for your device. If you're lucky, hopefully there should be an update available. You can literally just go and update your device, and it should be able to fix the problems from there. So those are just a couple ways to go ahead and fix it if your mobile data connection isn't working on your iPhone. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it'd mean so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.